Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, guys, I just went roaming around town. I went to O'Reilly's and AutoZone and Pep Boys and could not find the fuses I need. So I guess I'm gonna have to order them online, and that'll be a couple more days. But I could skip the fuses, but you don't want to cheat something like this. It could start a fire if you do something wrong. You'd rather the fuse blow out, right? So that's what's up with that. Yeah, so I found some on Amazon, Install Gear. Install Gear is pretty good, so I'm going to order those. Man, I'm tired. I don't know. I think I'm kind of sick or something. Every now and then I get like a little chill and just feeling tired, So I'm glad I didn't go down to the creek because, man, after being at the creek all day, out in the sun, having a few cold ones, and you got to hike out, and it's at least a 2-hour drive home. Shoot, I'd still be on the road right now. So maybe next time, maybe during the week. So hey guys, it's Sunday morning, and I figure since I don't have my fuses, I can at least put these lights in, right? Yeah, these are pretty good quality from Super Bright LEDs. If you look very closely there, you'll see the UL stamp on there. 3M sticky back on it. The actual wiring, very nicely done. It's all marked. See, real good wiring will have stamped on there what kind of rating and everything on there, what gauge of wire. So yeah, it's very well done. Like it says right there, it's got the UL listed. It's got voltage and everything written on the back. The ends are tinned. You see that? Not just bare copper. Or a lot of them are coming with just steel wire. It looks like steel wire. I'm not sure exactly what kind of wire, but I've got some wiring kits in there, and it's like, gee, it's not even copper. So I've been thinking about this. Like I said, I've been thinking about it too long. I need to get this in and just stick them in, right? Peel and stick, and then what's going to take me time is routing the wires, putting the switch in somewhere. So this is what I decided on. I'm going to go on top and bottom. So I'm doing amber, white on each side. And then I got to wire them switches in pairs, whether I want the ambers or whether I want the white. I figure the amber would be cool, when you don't need a lot of light, a little ambiance. Like sitting around the fire, you don't want a big old bright light shining. Gives off that romantic glow, right? So what do you think? Is that going to work? That might not be such a great idea now. Those panels are pretty hot, them doors. If it's too late now, they're already on. We'll just see how long this lasts. And let that be a lesson to you. This is taking a lot of work. Like I said, a lot of tedious work involved here. I barely got the white ones working just on this side. I had to run a power wire all the way around to this side. Find a place to put a switch. And then figure out how power was run to the shell here, because the guys who installed the shell did that, and they just kind of ran a wire under the frame to the battery up front. And I go, well, I'm going to reroute that, so I took some time. I'm burned out. It's already like 2:45. So that's just the white lights on this side. So I'm going to do the amber ones. You know, so it's white, amber, white, amber. I got to team them together and bring them over and route them inside. Put a switch in. Yeah, I'm going to have to do the same thing on these right here. The interior lights, that was in here. This was in here already. Came with the shell. What was that noise? Is that me? Anyway, I don't know what that was. Here's where I put the switches right here. That switch, that fuse there was here with the, came with the shell. But I had to run a wire all the way around. To test everything, I need a temporary power. So this is my temporary power. Because my main battery isn't hooked up. In case you didn't see the video from yesterday, yeah, I got to put some fuses on the relay here. Anyway, I got all these tools out here. I haven't had breakfast or lunch or nothing. I had a cup of coffee, a water, and drank a Monster, and now I'm like, feeling a little weird, but I may do the amber lights, but man, this is taking some time. I just hate to put all this stuff away now. Just to do it all over again. At least get one side done.